Hello and welcome to today's question of the day from the actual IPMAT Indore 2024 paper QA MCQ section. Today's question is yet another question from geometry that appeared in this section. And again, there was no diagram provided for the question. Now, when I read this question, the first task at hand is to identify whether I should invest more time and solve this question right away, or whether we should, solve this question in the second round or maybe completely skip this. So let me read the question first and identify whether it is a type A, solve it now, or type B, solve it later, or type C, leave the question completely type of a question. So the side AB of a triangle ABC is C. The median BD is of length K, and if BDA is equal to theta, which is less than 90 degree, then the area of the triangle ABC is, and the options have K square sine 2 theta, K into sine theta under root of C square minus K square sine square theta. Oh my god, very complicated expressions in all the four options, and the data given is also not very helpful. If I just draw the diagram also and understand what is given. So we've been given AB of triangle ABC. So let me name it as ABC. The diagram would be something like this. The triangle ABC is this, and BD is the median. So basically BD, this is the okay, let me take it as B on top and A over here. So ABC. All right. BD is the median. Okay, and BD is of length K. So this and this is equal. Okay, and this angle is theta. Now there's a lot of sine theta, cos theta and such things involved. So that for that purpose I also drew the altitude of this triangle. All right. So let me put the name E over here. And this is how the diagram would look. And we had been asked to find the area of this triangle. Now this in itself is a very tedious task. So my first judgment is type C question, not even B, because I'm not able to think of the approach in the, when I look at such a question in the examination. And even if I come to this question in the second round, it will easily take up 5-6 questions. So unless the paper is so challenging and difficult that you're not able to solve other questions at all, only then you should attempt this question in the exam. However, when you're preparing right now, no compromise. Focus on understanding the solution as we see or as I solve it right now. All right. So don't compromise on the learning. This ABC is only for the exam day, not while you're preparing. All right. So although this is a question worth leaving, but to be able to identify that this question is worth leaving, I think you need to know what are the complications involved in this question, because only then you would be able to identify whether there's any trick involved or whether any trick can be applied or not. All right. So yes, this question was worth leaving, but because it's too lengthy for me to even think. So to get started, actually one thing that could be done is we can find the length of BE in terms of K and theta. So K is the hypotenuse of this triangle, the small triangle BED. Okay, in this triangle. So can I say BE is the side opposite to theta? So that will be K times sine theta, and DE would be K times cos theta. Now the approach that I am using over here, area of the triangle, there's a lot of things in the small triangle over here. There's nothing in this obtuse angle triangle that we have at the right. But area of the big triangle, so area of triangle ABC, whenever there's a median involved, it divides the area into half. So the first thing that you need to understand was area of triangle ABC would be area of triangle ABD and this into 2, because this area is half the entire area. So we are focusing on the area of triangle ABD and we'll double it. Okay. So ABD has one small triangle here and the other triangle here. Okay. So let me see if I could have found the answer to this question somehow. And we know this side is K. Okay. So if this, this side is C, this side BE is K sine theta. And this one is K times cos theta. So will we be able to find the length of AE using Pythagoras theorem? The answer is yes, we would be able to find the length of AE because this is k sine theta and this is c square, and I see some term c square minus k square sine square theta. So I think Pythagoras theorem would be involved using these two. So I think I'm going in the right direction. So if I use Pythagoras theorem, I would say AE would be under root of c square minus k square sine square theta. So that would be under root of c square minus k square sine square theta. Okay, I know AE, and do I know ED? Yes, I know ED is k cos theta. So can I say for this triangle the base is this much and the height is k sine theta? I can use the area of the triangle, that is half into base into height. Alright. Coming to this point, if you are able to reach to this point, now it seems like a doable question. But for this to click in an exam situation is is really difficult. So that is why, from the exam perspective, I say that this is a type C question, not something which can't be done. But for this much to click in the exam can be a little challenging. Okay. So if you're good at geometry, you could have done this question as well. Okay. When I say type C, it is for, most of the students. So area of the triangle, the area that we are looking for, area of triangle ABC, can I say would be twice of area of triangle ABD that we've done over here, and that will be equal to half into base is AD, that is this plus this, so half k cos theta plus under root of c square sine. So I'll need a little more space here. So what I'll do is I'll write this on the top itself. Okay. So area of triangle ABC. So area triangle ABC would be equal to double of, and again there's a half base into height. So this 2 and 2 is as it is going to get cancelled, half into base. What's the base? K cos theta plus c square into this. So k cos theta plus under root of c square minus k square sine square theta, this AE, into height. Height is BE. BE, that is k times sine theta. So the 2 and the 2 have got cancelled. What we have is k into, so basically we'll multiply this because there are two terms in the answer, each of the option. So we'll have to multiply it. So there will be a k square sine theta cos theta plus k sine theta into under root of c square minus k square sine square theta. And each of the options has sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta or something like that. So we should know 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine of 2 theta. Therefore, sine theta cos theta can be replaced by sine 2 theta upon 2. So sine theta upon cos theta, sine theta into cos theta will be replaced by sine 2 theta upon 2. So this would become k square times sine 2 theta upon 2 plus k sine theta times under root of c square minus k square sine square theta. And now if I look at the options, k square sine 2 theta by 2 plus k into sine theta under root of c square minus k square sine square theta, I would get the answer as option A. Alright, quite a lengthy solve. So therefore I rated this as type C. For some who are able to do it, even then it should be kept as a type B question. I don't feel that this is a type A question. Alright, so I hoped I was able to help you with an approach that could allow you to solve this question as quickly as possible. And I hope this video has helped you understand how to identify whether a question should be solved in the paper or not. Alright, so all the best in your IPMAT preparation. Keep working hard and do really well. Thank you.